students, welcome. So today we will be doing the word problems of exercise 12.3. So see the first question. So if the cost of 7-meter cloth, so I have the length of the cloth and I have the cost. So as the length increases, the cost will increase. So 7-meter cloth is costing 1470. So what is 5-meter cloth will be costing how much? It is just cross multiplying. So 1470 into 5 divided by 7. So 7 2s are 14, 7 was a 2, so this is 1050. So it is rupees 1050. Okay. Next. Ekta earns 3000 in 10 days. So earn how much the person is earning and days. So Ekta is earning 3000 for 10 days. How much will she earn for 30 days? So how much is it? Again cross multiply. So it is 3000 into 30 divided by 10. So we'll have 9000. We'll earn 9000 rupees. Okay. Next one. It has rained 276 millimeter in last 3 days. Okay. So rainfall and days. So 276 mm in 3 days. So how many centimeter will the rainfall fall for 1 week? 1 week is 7 days. How much is it? So it is cross multiply 276 into 7 divided by 3. Okay. So that is equal to how much? 3, 9 3s are 27, 3 2s are 6. So 7 2s are 14, 9 7s are 63 and 1 64. 64 mm. It will fall 64 mm. Next question. Cost of 5 kg is 91.50. What is the cost of 8 kg of wheat? So weight of wheat and cost. So 5 kg of wheat is costing 91.50. Okay. So 8 kg of wheat will cost how much? Same thing, cross multiply. 91.50 into 8 divided by 5. So 5 1s are 5, 6 are 41, 8 5s are 40. 0.15, 5 3s are 15. So 8 3s are 27, 2, 8 is a 64, 65, 66, 66, 6, 8 1s are 8 and 6, 14, 146.7. 146.7. Okay. Next. If the cost of 5 kg wheat is 91.50, same thing we will write cost and price. It's weight and price. So 5 kg is costing 91.50. And then what is the quantity for 183? So what is again cross multiply? 183 into 5 divided by 91.50. Okay. So now I can multiply 10 or 100 up and down to remove the point. So this will become nothing but 183 into 5 into 10 divided by 915. Or I can cancel it in this way also. 5 1s are 5. 41, 8 5s are 40, 15.3, and here I will have 10. So you will see 10 kg. Okay. Next. The temperature dropped 15 degree in last 30 days. So here I am telling temperature and here days. So temperature drop is 15 degree in last 30 days. If the rate of temperature drop remains same, how many degree will the temperature drop in next 10 days? So I am talking about what is the temperature drop in the next 10 days. So how much is it? Cross multiply. 15 into 10 divided by 30. 5 degree. There will be a 5 degree drop in the next 10 days. Next. Shaina pays rupees 15,000 as rent for 3 months. So rent and days. Or instead of writing days, I will write months. Okay. So rent and months. Fine. So rent is 15,000 for 3 months. How much does he pay for the whole year? 1 whole year is 12 months. So x cross multiply, which is equal to 15,000 into 12 divided by 3. 4 3s are 12. 15 4s are 60. 60,000 rupees. 60,000. Okay. Next. The cost of 4 dozen bananas is rupees 80. So banana and here cost. So 4 dozen banana is 4 into 12, that is 84 bananas. The cost is 180 rupees. How many bananas cost? 90 rupees. So it is nothing but 90 into 84 divided by 180. 9 to the 18. So here 2, 4 to the 8, 42 bananas. It is going to cost 90 rupees. So 84 is costing 180 rupees and 42 will be costing 90 rupees. Okay. Coming to question number 7, the cost of 4 dozen bananas. So banana and here the cost. Okay. So 4 dozen banana is 4 into 12 banana. 1 dozen is 12 bananas. So 12 fours are 48 is costing 180 rupees. Okay. Now 90 will be for how many bananas? Cross multiply 48 into 90 divided by 180. So 9 to the 18. So it is 24 bananas. 24 bananas. Okay. Next. Question number 8. The weight of 72 books. So number of, here there are books and here I have the weight. So number of 72 books is 9 kg. What is the weight of 40 such books? Is how much? Cross multiply 9 into 40 divided by 72. 9 8s are 72, 8 5s are 40. So 5 kg. Fine. Next. A truck requires 108 liters of diesel for covering a distance. So here diesel and here distance. Okay. So 108 liters of diesel is required to cover 594 kilometers. How much diesel will be required for 1650 kilometer? Cross multiply again 1650 into 108 divided by 594. Okay, cancellation I will clearly write it once more because that was very congested. 108 into 1650 divided by 594. This is what I wrote. Okay, so now cutting it with 9. Okay, 9 was a 9, 9 to the 18, 9, 6 9s are 54. And then again 54, 6 2s are 12, here 11, cutting it 11, 150, 15 into is 30, 300 liters. Okay, so this is the clarity. Next, 10. Raju purchases 10 pens for rupees 150. So pen and cost. So 10 pens cost rupees 150. Manish buys 7 pens for rupees 84. Can you say who got the pens cheaper? So who got the pens cheaper? So cost of, now with this I will see what is the cost of 1 pen. So cost per pen I will find. So this is what 150 by 10, which is 15. Okay. So I have Raju purchases 10 pens for rupees 150. So I have pens, I have the cost. Okay. So 10 pens cost rupees 150 and I have the cost per pen. So 1 pen is 150 by 10, which is 15. Manish 7 pens, it has costed 84. So 84 by 7, 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 12. So who had a cheaper cost of the pen? Manish. So Manish got the pens at cheaper cost. Okay. Coming to the next one. Anish made 42 runs in 6 overs. Run, over, then runs per over. 42 runs in 6 overs. So what was his run per over? 7. And Anup made 63 runs in 7 overs. So what was his run per over? 63 by 7, that is 9. Who made more runs per over? So Anup made more runs per over. Okay. That's it. Thank you.